we're gonna open my new metal fidget from Amazon. Nice little case. So these are my grown-up fidgets. The kids aren't allowed to touch them. First is a snitch from Harry Potter. Snitch spinner. Nice metal, pretty heavy. And then we've got a gear fidget with little rubbers on it. And the whole reason I bought this one, because this whole kit was like $3 cheaper than just buying this, but I really wanted this. And then we've got a metal fidget spinner, which makes a pretty cool noise. I like that. And then we have a infinity cube, which is metal and a little bit heavier than the plastic ones. And we have fidget cubes that we sell for our benefit our nonprofit, made out of 3D printed material, and they're a little bit more smooth than this, but the weight of this is kind of nice.